Hello classes like students. Today we are going to learn Lexion Fear from your Arbeitsheft, page number 70, 17. Okay, so unsere Lexion heißt, was hast du? What do you have? The first question is, was gehört zusammen? You have to match the answers. For example, first one, das Mädchen and hat fünf Gitarre. So this is the verb conjugation haben. We have already learned in the lesson. So second one is ich habe ein Buch. Die Schüler plural haben Ferien vacations. Nummer 4 du hast zwei Füße. You have 2 feet. Nummer 5 ihr habt Freunde. So this is the haben verb conjugation. Once you have by heart the haben verb conjugation, it will be very easy to solve. Now, Frage 2 bilden Sie singular Formen. You have to make the singular forms. Now for that I have again written here singular and plural form of the personal pronoun for you. Plural of ich is wir, du is ihr, erezi is small z, de wala z, and capital Z is capital Z. Okay, so once you learn this table, it will be very easy to conjugate the verb according to singular. Now see, die Häuser haben Wände. The houses has walls. So the Häuser we have changed to singular, das Haus, and never forget to conjugate the verb according to das Haus. So das Haus hat Wände. The house has walls. Nummer 2. Die Schülerinnen lernen die Wörter. The students, the female students are learning the words. Die Schülerin lernt die Wörter. So the student learn the word. Jetzt Nummer 3. Wir haben die Bücher. We have the books. Ich habe die Bücher. I have the book or the books. So student, here making the Bücher singular or plural, it's up to you. If you want, you can change the object also to singular, and if you don't want, you can just change the subject and the verb to singular. Now, Nummer 4. Die Kinder schließen die Fenster. The children are closing the windows. Das Kind schließt die Fenster. The child closes the windows. Nummer 5. Die Lehrer sind intelligent. The teachers are intelligent. Singular. Der Lehrer ist intelligent. The teacher is intelligent. Nummer 6. Habt ihr Familien? Do you all have families? Hast du Familie? Do you have family? Nummer 7. Die Männer haben Kinder. The men have children. Der Mann hat Kinder. The man has children. Nummer 8. Die Mädchen spielen Tennis. The girls are playing tennis. Das Mädchen spielt Tennis. The girl plays tennis. Nummer 9. Die Herren wohnen in Delhi. The misters lives in Delhi. And their hair, the mister, the one person, won't in Delhi. He lives in Delhi. Nummer 10. Die Hotels haben viele Türen. The hotels has many doors. Singular. Das Hotel hat viele Türen. The hotel has many doors. So that was a singular and plural, student. Now let's learn the next question. Frage 3. Bilden Sie plural Formen. Now again students, here once you convert the noun, the subject, to plural form, never forget to change the verb into according to the subject. Nummer 1. Der Junge hat eine Blume. The boy has one flower. Die Jungen hat eine Blume. So here changing eine Blume to zwei Blumen or viele Blumen, it's up to you. Nummer 2. Die Frau ist schön. The lady is beautiful. Die Frauen sind schön. Nummer 3. Sie hat eine Cola. She has one cola. Sie haben eine Cola. They have one cola. Die Lehrerin kommt aus Korea. The female teacher comes from Korea. Die Lehrerinnen kommen aus Korea. Nummer 5. Ich habe eine Freundin. I have one female friend. Wir haben eine Freundin. Das ist ein Heft. That is a notebook. Das sind Hefte. Those are notebooks. Nummer 7. Wo wohnt die Ärztin? Where does the female doctor live? Wo wohnen die Ärztinnen? Nummer 8. Lernst du die Regel? Do you learn the rule? Lernt ihr die Regel? Nummer 9. Hast du ein Ei? Do you have an egg? Habt ihr ein Ei? Nummer 10. Die Schüler hat eine Briefmarke. The male student has one postal stamp. Die Schüler haben eine Briefmarke. Okay, so with this we have finished our third question. Now what is the next question? Schreiben Sie die Zahlen auf Deutsch. The number names you have to write in German. I am just reading it for you. 10, 12, 2, 4, 1, 20, 17, 3, 6, 16. Now, let's do the next question. Frage 5. Schreiben Sie die den bestimmten Artikel. So, there the das you have to write correctly. Die number, der Schein, a note, der Pinsel, your refill, der Pinsel is your paintbrush, der Radiergummi is your eraser, das book, die Uhr, watch, der Fuß, feet, das Geld, money, die Briefmarke, the postal stamps, die Flasche, the bottle. Yes. Now we will do the Frage 6. It's a nice puzzle. Suchen Sie die Zahlen 1 bis 13. So 1 to 13 number name spellings you have to search, student, in this. Okay. Yes. Now the next one, Frage 7. Okay, it will just take your test of your vocabulary. So, asked, it ends with T. Okay, and the new word you have to form which starts from T. Tisch, table. Hood, hat. Tür, door. Regel, rule. Lehrerin, female teacher. Name, name. Elephant, elephant. Telephone, telephone. Nummer, number. Then raffineered, that is refined or clever. Tische, tables. Schule, schools. Ei, egg. Lernen, to learn. Okay. So students, with this we have completed our model test, our Lexion 4 Arbeitsbuch. We will meet in our next video. Till then, choose.